Grouchy is at the local supermarket shopping for some groceries. Come on, let's join him.
What's in the seafood and meat section today? A steak and some shrimp. I think I'll take some steak. The meat looks fresh. That's good. I think I'll have steak for dinner tonight. That pizza looks good. I wonder if I could eat the pizza instead. Pepperoni and peppers. Oh, that's got to be yum. I think I'll skip the pizza and stick to the steak. And what else do we have here? Orange juice, milk, and some locally crafted cheese. That looks interesting. I think I'll pick up some cheese. This cheese smells delicious. Okay, that one is definitely going home. Fresh veggies. I think that would be nice. Lettuce, cauliflower, and broccoli. They're all delicious. What a tough choice. I think I'll go with the broccoli. That could go very well with my steak. In goes the broccoli. And what else do we have here? Eggplant, some fruits, pineapple, oranges, tomato. This pineapple looks very delicious. Smells so good. You're coming home with me, Mr. Pineapple. And there it goes into the basket. And what else is here? Cereal, peanut butter, and strawberry preserve. I think I could do with some peanut butter jelly. These look good. Let me grab both of these jars. Okay, I think that's it for today. And now I'll go home and enjoy my steak and broccoli. Oh, maybe some grilled pineapple would go very well with that.
That sounds like a very delicious dinner, Mr. Grouchy. Enjoy! And that's all for today's video. If you liked today's video, Shopping with Mr. Grouchy, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for more videos. Bye-bye!